The Nyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO, under the leadership of its Central Executive Committee General Secretary Wanbun Endakar and East Jaintia Hills President Debor Mirambai, reportedly carried out an inspection of a weighbridge situated in Sonapur, East Jaintia Hills on the 20th of May 2025. The weighbridge, which falls under the jurisdiction of the Forest Department of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, had been non-functional since it was shut down in 2014 and was found to have resumed operations approximately 6 months ago. HITO stated that despite the facility being operational, no official staff from the JHADC were present at the site. Instead, the weighbridge was allegedly being managed by private individuals. The organization expressed concern over the fact that vehicles, particularly trucks carrying minerals such as limestone, were not being weighed but were still being charged fees ranging from Rs 200 to Rs 500 without any valid receipts being issued. According to HITO, several truck drivers confirmed that they were not directed to pass over the weighbridge but were instead asked to pay the amount directly. The organization has raised suspicions of irregularities and urged upon the concerned authorities to conduct a thorough investigation into the matter.
क्या चीज आप लोग को जब मैं क्या काम मिले रुका अगर हाँ एमडी के लिए तो थोड़ा इधर आओ बात करो ना भाई इधर वो है ना एमडी होता है एमडी के लिए ओ एमपी कैसा करके लेता है 500 करके अच्छा कुछ है स्लिप कितने दिया थोड़ा जोर से बोलो ना 500 लिया अच्छा बिना स्लिप बिना कुछ नहीं दिया स्लिप ठीक जा
Baplag ay katung kejing yo jong kum dosen nama ye kene ko bridge kaladon hanne Henrik Bapla bagi kali ke pas lembah ni surat ikren ya lembah kene ko bridge katung kejing ikren jongi bagi katu kat ne ke driver dompar bingan yo dengi yo ban hanne ilbatasha yangi bagi ikren ai kita ki kata slip ene ke ai Henry isim tang bisa don bagi sim apa don bagi sim tanpa ko bagi kali dekat kum kejing yo ingila bonong bakane kedai kata ke kunda sakit ba amdon kinong train na po ke HDC ba amdon kita ki slip supang ban supen yang hang ne ban sim bisa na ki kali kit mar po kendeu lene ki mar lene ki ding
pan lengo susu yang ni kalong ba ya tani ka khordop ka ba lapen yang lakatok anis nem hne lapen nyai ta kiri sumet lem don kino ki Forestar lah ni ranger juga forest department juga Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council. Bahkan ni kepenisai bah don kair sulendet juga ada di penyai. Ya kini ka penyai BI. Orang sekalian tungi orang bah. Kini ke penyai jadi ke bridge. Kalau BI nomor bah di kumno kiring semet. Di bomde di staff ni ke official dan council di bomde di forest expert di pan verify dan di pan detect ya kita kali di bakit ya kimar kok ndeu bat kimar cloud. Di ini kalian keseng, in ujor ya kenika kam sa ke board district bat penjuru, in ujoru sa ke yang besar, bukan seklar bukan wat punya halor kenika jinglek juga di council, kebegile iba, li sakiba, kejinghiran bisa juga Jaintia Hills Autonomous Council kalong sebapalat, dari hakum kini ke benta, hakum kini ke serdop, ke council kelapa pemi revenue. Dan lembah kini kita forest ke IY sekiri simet ban awailat wanti lengi ban kejing yesubi jong katukan ni ki officer baki EM in charge klik jong council ban walat wanti kumno ban kini bang klub ya ka revenue lani kata ka jik ka sos jong council lembah forest department